Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So I'm going to get cracking on things earlier today than normal because I want to do the final 4 dishes to take down to Sandy. So the first thing I'm going to do her some pinwheels using some of the mini lavash roasted red pepper sheets. And I'm going to do some tuna. So I have tuna and relish, lemon juice. I'm going to use the Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic blend, some parsley, and then I have Duke's mayonnaise and Duke's mayonnaise, that one. And then I'm going to do her some egg salad ones. And for that, I'll use the Duke's mayo, mustard. I have the last of my little window onions. And I'm going to cook these eggs real quick in the Instant Pot. So once I've got those going, then I'm going to do a baked penne, and I'll get everything sort of started for that. All right, so I have the pinwheels rolled, 2 egg salad, 2 tuna salad, and I'm going to start. This is basically like a baked ziti, except I don't have ziti noodles, but I have penne noodles. So it's just going to be alternating layers of penne pasta. And then I'm just going to use this pasta sauce. I'm going to use a whipped cottage cheese in the place of ricotta. Mix that with 1 egg and some Mexican style blend shredded cheese, because that's what I have. And then basically, I'm just going to put that in a loaf tin and bake that for 40 minutes, and then that part will be all done. Okay, the baked penne is done. The pinwheels are done, so on to the next one. I had found some teriyaki and pineapple chicken meatballs. I've had the Italian meatballs, the Adele's, and I really like those. So they had some of these on special, and I haven't had these before, so I thought, okay, teriyaki and pineapple. Well, I have some Japanese teriyaki chicken sauce kit, and that basically comes with a garlic ginger paste, some teriyaki sauce, and some sesame seeds. And I thought, okay, I'll do a little stir fry. So I'm gonna use the teriyaki kit sauce instead of the sauce that comes with this, and do a stir fry. I'm gonna add some pineapples, and then I'm gonna cut these up and put those together and do her a little teriyaki pineapple stir fry. All right, here we go. So this is a Superfood Salad. This is her toppings box. And there are pomegranate arils, bacon, peppers, purple cabbage, grape tomatoes, carrots, and grapes. And then I've given her a separate container of spring mix. We have 2 containers of the teriyaki pineapple stir fry. She has 2 servings of the baked ziti, and then the egg salad and tuna salad pinwheels. So this will go with what I made her yesterday or the other day, and I'm going to go ahead and take all this down to her.